For this video, we will see the effect of superheating on thermal efficiency. So this is the equation of thermal efficiency. Hindi, actually, general equation ay work net over QH. The numbering here in 214 depends on your numbering sa TS diagram. Okay. So what happens when we increase the temperature of the superheated steam at constant pressure in the boiler? What is the effect on the thermal efficiency? So yun yung check natin. I'll skip to the kasi may problem pero it's iterative. Pauulit-ulitin mo isosolve yung problem at different temperatures. Okay, so I will show this in another, yung solution dito. Please check the other video, pero I'll skip to the final answer. So basically, we have a power plant. Okay, we have a power plant operating between these pressures, 3,300 kilopascal at 50 kilopascal. So as you can imagine, if this is our TS diagram, okay, and this is our Rankine cycle, this isobar here, it's at 3,300 kilopascal. Tapos yung nasa babang isobar, that's 50 kilopascal. So yung, ibig sabihin, yung inlet nung turbine mo is 3,300 kilopascal. Then yung outlet nung turbine mo is 50 kilopascal. So ang tanong is, calculate the thermal efficiency of the cycle and quality of the exhaust steam from the turbine. So, pag sinabing quality of the exhaust steam, ito yon, yan yung X na tinatanong, at different temperature. So, if meron kang different superheated temperature, so ito yung binavary mo, yung temperature dito. Sa part nung so, yung inlet ng turbine. Okay? Ito yung results niya. Ito yung different superheated steam. Ito yung thermal efficiency at ito yung quality. Ano yung mapapansin natin? The higher the temperature of the superheated steam, the higher would be the thermal efficiency. Diba? Mas malaki naman to kaysa doon sa mga previous. Tapos, ano yung effect niya? If we have a higher temperature, mas high cost yung kailangan sa boiler kasi kailangan yung boiler tube materials are able to withstand the high temperature of the working fluid. So, maganda yung effect niya sa thermal efficiency pero kailangan mag-invest ka sa mas magandang boiler na withstand yung high temperatures. What about yung effect niya sa quality? Okay. Mas maganda rin yung effect niya sa quality kasi the higher temperature, ang result ay higher quality. Meaning, paglabas niya sa turbine, mas less yung moisture content niya. But then again, ito yung higher quality of the exhaust stream. But then again, although maganda yung effect niya sa turbine, sa exhaust, kasi lower moisture, kailangan mag-invest pa rin sa very strong materials kasi nga mas mataas yung temperature. Yun. So, yun ang effect ng temperature sa temperature of the superheated steam. Now, let's see the effect of boiler pressure on the thermal efficiency and quality of the exhaust. So, this time naman, let's try to vary the boiler pressure. The higher difference in enthalpies between flowing streams of the turbine, the higher would be the thermal efficiency of the plant. And this could be done by increasing the working pressure of the boiler of the superheated steam. Yan. So, let's try that kung ano yung effect niya. Again, iterative yung pag-solve nito. The same process lang i-employ nyo to solve the problem at different pressure. So, dito naman, fixed yung superheated temperature and fixed yung exhaust pressure. Nagbabari yung boiler pressure niya sa taas. Sa ano pa rin. So, dito pa rin sa taas. Okay, ito yung binavary mo na boiler pressure. So, nag-iiba ka ng isobars. Ano yung effect niya sa thermal efficiency? Okay. Nung power plant. The higher the pressure sa boiler, the higher the efficiency. So, sabihin nyo, ang liit lang naman nung in-increase from 36 naging almost 39, 3% na increase. Pero, sa large scale kasi, yung 3% increase means a lot, no, sa large scale. So, the higher the boiler pressure, the higher the quality, the higher the thermal efficiency. Pero, ano nangyayari sa quality ng steam paglabas ng turbine? Bumababa yung quality ng steam paglabas ng turbine. So, again, gusto natin ng mas mataas na efficiency, pero ang drawback nun, kailangan mas magandang boiler, mas high quality materials ang boiler yung meron tayo. Kasi to withstand the high pressure. And since mas mataas na yung moisture content nung quality nung sa or mas mababa yung quality, ibig sabihin mas mataas yung moisture content dun sa exhaust ng turbine, anong result? Erosion problems may occur. Yun. So, yun yung effect ng different temperature ng effect of boiler temperature and effect of superheating and effect of boiler pressure on the thermal efficiency.